Looking to boost your performance in the pool? The best swim fins for lap swimming offer the perfect blend of speed, comfort, and durability to enhance your technique and endurance during every workout. Dive in and train smarter. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Arena Unisex Swim Fin. The Arena Unisex Swim Fin is a top-tier training tool tailored for competitive and professional swimmers who want to elevate their underwater performance. Its design prioritizes technique development and leg strength enhancement, making it one of the best swim fins for lap swimming. Crafted from long-lasting, PVC-free silicone, these fins offer both durability and exceptional comfort, reducing the risk of blisters during long training sessions. The innovative structure features a sloping surface and hydrodynamic slits at the top, allowing swimmers to execute a faster and more controlled leg kick. What sets the Arena fins apart is their anatomical design, customized for each foot with an open heel construction that maximizes ankle flexibility. This feature enhances the swimmer's upward motion while providing a more forceful downward kick. The short blade style is ideal for sprint and technique training, as it enables maximum forward propulsion without sacrificing control. Additionally, the inclusion of side grooves and strategically placed notches in the bottom ribs further contributes to a more stable, powerful kick. Whether you're preparing for a race or working to refine your flutter technique, these fins provide the necessary feedback and resistance. They're a go-to for swimmers who demand precision from their gear. Be sure to consult the size chart to find your perfect fit, as a proper fit is essential for comfort and performance. The Arena Unisex Swim Fin strikes an excellent balance between resistance, propulsion, and comfort, making it highly effective for lap swimming and serious pool training. Number 2. TYR Stryker Swim Fin. The TYR Stryker Swim Fin is a performance-driven training aid designed for lap swimmers who want to build a strong, efficient kick. Made entirely from hypoallergenic silicone, this fin offers excellent flexibility and durability while providing a snug and comfortable fit. It's designed for short, rapid movements, making it ideal for flutter kick refinement. One of the key benefits is its short blade construction, which encourages quick foot movement that closely mimic natural swimming mechanics. This helps swimmers develop a powerful and rhythmic kick, improving overall swim speed and endurance. The fin features a non-slip foot pad for added safety and stability around the pool, an important feature for training environments. It's well suited for swimmers of all levels, whether you're just starting lap swimming or training competitively. Built-in sun protection ensures color fastness, so your fins maintain their appearance over time, even with regular exposure to chlorine and sunlight. Sizing is also made convenient. For women, sizing down by 1 or 2 sizes ensures a better fit. The Stryker fins are backed by TYR's legacy in performance swimwear and gear since 1985, which reflects in their superior build quality and thoughtful design. Their balance of comfort, performance, and design make them a solid choice for swimmers looking to improve technique and build leg strength through lap swimming. Whether you're doing interval training or long-distance laps, the TYR Stryker Swim Fin will help increase propulsion and streamline your performance in the pool. Number 3. TYR Hydroblade Swim Fin. The TYR Hydroblade Swim Fin is engineered for swimmers who want precision control and power with every kick. Designed with short blades and angled surface, these fins are perfect for promoting a rapid flutter kick that mirrors the natural movements required in competitive swimming. Built from 100% silicone, they offer superior flexibility while ensuring long-lasting comfort, even during intense training sessions. The foot pocket includes a thoughtfully designed heel strap with a pull tab for easy on and off access, and rounded edges in the foot cavity reduce chafing and discomfort. These fins are particularly helpful for swimmers focused on kick timing, resistance training, and improving tempo.
The channel side rails amplify propulsion, allowing users to generate more power with each kick while also improving control through the water. Their snug and ergonomic fit ensures that the fins stay in place during fast laps and flip turns. Ideal for lap swimmers aiming to sharpen their underwater phase and leg stamina, the Hydroblade fins provide just the right amount of resistance without overexerting the ankles or knees. Whether you're training for speed or endurance, these fins help refine your technique and enhance your efficiency in the water. With their sleek design and performance-enhancing features, the TYR Hydroblade Swim Fin is a fantastic option for serious lap swimmers seeking a high-performance tool that delivers results in both sprint and endurance sets.
Number 4. Speedo Unisex Swim Fin. The Speedo Unisex Swim Fin is a classic and reliable training accessory suitable for swimmers at every level. Constructed from soft, natural rubber, these long blade fins are built for comfort and flexibility. Their extended blade length is especially effective for lap swimmers who want to strengthen their legs while improving kick technique. By creating more resistance in the water, the long blade helps swimmers develop powerful, elongated kicks, perfect for distance training or those working on body alignment. The orthopedic foot pockets offer excellent comfort, allowing for prolonged training sessions without discomfort or fatigue. Ideal for swim instruction, recreational users, and serious lap swimmers alike, these fins can help correct poor technique by forcing users to engage their core and legs properly with each kick. They're particularly helpful for beginners learning proper body position and propulsion, but also remain useful to advanced swimmers who need to fine-tune their flutter kick. The Speedo brand is known for quality and performance, and these fins uphold that reputation with dependable construction and a straightforward design. They're not only great for individual training, but are also frequently used in swim teams and instructional settings. If you're looking for the best swim fins for lap swimming that also work well in teaching environments, the Speedo Unisex Swim Fin offers a versatile, comfortable, and powerful training solution that enhances both technique and endurance over time. Number 5. Speedo Unisex Swim Fin. This version of the Speedo Unisex Swim Fin features a medium blade and is crafted from soft natural rubber for excellent comfort and performance. It strikes a balanced blend between power and tempo, making it an outstanding choice for fitness swimmers focused on lap swimming. The foot pocket is engineered for comfort, offering a snug but cushioned fit that minimizes chafing even during long sessions. The open toe design promotes breathability and reduces pressure on the front of the foot, which is particularly helpful for swimmers with wider feet. The medium blade length offers a nice compromise between resistance and speed, allowing swimmers to build leg strength without overloading their joints or altering stroke rhythm. These fins are great for a variety of users, from casual lap swimmers looking to stay in shape to serious athletes working on sprint and mid-distance sets. For those seeking a dependable, comfortable training fin that aids in kick strength, tempo, and endurance during lap swimming, this Speedo Swim Fin is an excellent option.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.